See you soon. Painom ka ha. Sabi ah.
Happy birthday, Mayor!
Happy birthday, Yorme! Thankful kami kasi nakilala ka ni Jo. Thankful kami sa 10 ng pamilya mo at 10 ng kaibigan mo na tinanggap kami at tinatanggap pa rin tayong lahat hanggang ngayon. Happy birthday! God bless you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ninong Larry!
Happy birthday, Mayor Larry!
Happy birthday, Mayor! God bless! Mahal na mahal ka ng tropang kabuyaw. More birthdays to come. Basta hawak mo ang big! Hawak mo ang big! Hawak mo ang big! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, fucking Larry! More birthday to come. Enjoy your day. Alright. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Larry! Puti na buhok mo! Love you! Ingat! Happy birthday, Ate Larry! Happy birthday, Ate Larry! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Larry! Happy birthday po, Ate Larry! We love you!
Hi, Tita Larry! I just want to say a happy birthday to you. Today is your special day. I just want to say thank you for being such a wonderful tita. Thank you for all the love, care, and sacrifices you make, especially in taking care of nanay and tatay. Thank you also for being one of our favorite kasama sa kalokohan, kwentuhan, at tawanan. At syempre kapag nasa Laguna kami, hindi mawawala lagi yung bonding natin na pupunta tayo sa kapihan. At isa pa sa hindi mawawala pag pupunta kami sa Laguna, yung magre-request ka na magpahilot ka sa akin. Na para bang automatic pag nandyan ako, kailangan hihilutin kita. Pero that's okay. Happy birthday again, Tita Larry. I wish you good health, happiness, peace of mind, and more blessings to come. Enjoy your special day, Tita Larry. Relax, have fun, celebrate your birthday today. We miss you. I love you. See you soon. Happy birthday again, Tita Larry. Mwah!
Happy birthday. Happy 44th birthday para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka mukhang 40, mga ka lang 24. Ay, very good. Happy birthday po. Pilisan lang po kasi baka magising siya. Kasi kanina umuubo siya eh. Pero huling tulog ko tulog. So, yun lang naman. Happy birthday. Mahal kita. Ikaw ang pinaka-best tita. Secret lang yan. Ikaw ang pinaka-best tita sa lahat ng tita mo dyan. Pero I love you so much. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tita Larry. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan yung greeting. So, first, happy birthday. Ikaw yung favorite ko na tita. Obviously, kasi ikaw yung lagi kong tinatawagan, ikaw yung lagi kong kinukulit. Nagtatampo nga ako sa'yo kasi minsan hindi mo ako kinakausap, hindi mo sinasagot yung tawag ko. So, yun lang. So, nga ba yung favorite ko? Hindi ko rin alam. Ito lang inisin. Kasi, ikaw yung happy-go-lucky na tita na parang hindi nagagalit. Parang ganon. Tapos, ikaw yung parang tropa-tropa vibes lang. Tapos, ikaw yung kapag may kwentuhan talaga na ikaw yung napagtitripan. Tapos, go ka lang dun. So, yun lang, Tita Larry. Happy birthday po. Love you po. Always. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Larry. I wish you all the best. And see you soon dahil kakabit pa tayo sa'yo. Enjoy your day today. Mwah!
Happy birthday, bro. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. God bless and stay healthy.
Sa aming bunsong kapatid na si Aleria, happy birthday. Sabi ko lang, dagdagan mo pang pasensya mo kay nanay at kay tatay at maraming salamat sa pag-aaruga mo sa kanila. Stay healthy, bunso. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Larry. I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. I love you. Love you. Hoy! Sino yan? Si Ate Lely, di ba? Ang birthday mo ngayon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Lely. Happy birthday to you.